SymSoil is a soil health company with products and services for regenerative agriculture. I'm Elizabeth Pierce, I'm the founder, and the company is based on a deeply held belief that the complete soil ecosystem matters. In a nutshell, we have created a new manufacturing model to get to products that have been described by the academic literature for 40 years, but until now have only been available on a small-scale basis. The science team has 35 years of experience. Catherine Hinson, President for Science,
allows the plant to get what it wants when it needs it. We don't have to play God and assume that we know, okay, the plant is flowering, we need to give it phosphorus and potassium.
Hi, I'm Fatemo Banderos. I'm also a co-founder, lead microbe herder, and these are our windrows out here, and these are our tools that we get to use. And if we had a little bit more growth capital, then our production could go up.